Everyone is talking about AI replacing jobs, but nobody tells you that there is a massive industry paying people actual money to sit at home and train the models. I spent the last month testing 5 of the biggest AI trainer platforms, and I found the truth about what you actually earn per hour. I'm talking about real take-home pay, not just the marketing fluff. One of these platforms promised a living wage, but after counting the hours, I was barely making coffee money. And the one that actually pays the best? You've probably never even heard of it. Stick around because the last one I tested completely changed how I look at the AI side hustle economy. If you want to break into the AI space without a computer science degree, this is your entry point. These platforms hire RLHF trainers, reinforcement learning from human feedback, to grade AI responses. It sounds simple, but the pay disparity between these sites is honestly shocking. I'm going to break down the pros, the cons, and the exact dollar per hour reality for all 5. No fluff, just the data. Let's dive into number 5. Platform 1. The entry-level grinder. First up is the platform everyone starts with, Remotasks. It's the biggest player in the game, and for good reason. They have a constant stream of tasks. But here's the catch. The hourly rate is a lie. Consistency is the only pro here. You can work as much as you want, but the pay often fluctuates based on your quality score. If you make a mistake, your pay drops instantly. I averaged about $8 an hour after accounting for the unpaid training modules. It's a grind, but it's real money. Platform 2, the quality specialist. Next is dataannotation.tech. This is where the industry standard for pay starts to shift. Most people report making $20 an hour, but you have to pass a notoriously difficult entrance exam. I spent 3 hours on that test alone. Once you're in, the work is much more interesting: coding, creative writing, and logic puzzles. It's a huge step up from labeling images, but don't expect to get work every single day. It's feast or famine. Platform 3, the corporate giant. Then I tried Outlier. This is the big corporate powerhouse. The interface is slick, the projects are massive, but the technical issues? They are constant. I spent 2 days just trying to get the software to load my tasks. When it works, it pays well, around $15 to $25 per hour depending on your expertise. But if you value your sanity, the constant platform crashes might make this one a hard pass for you. Platform 4, the niche expert. Number 4 is Appen. This is the veteran of the industry. It's not as sexy as the newer AI startups, but it is reliable. The tasks are more traditional, transcribing audio or verifying search results. It's not the highest pay, usually hovering around $12 per hour, but they pay on time and the tasks are simple. If you want a low-stress way to earn extra cash while watching Netflix, this is the one. But for the real money, you need to see number 5. Platform 5. The hidden gem. Finally, the one that changed everything. Invisible Technologies. This isn't a platform you just sign up for, it's an agency. They treat you like a contractor rather than a gig worker. The pay here is significantly higher, often reaching $30 plus per hour for specialized roles. They actually value your feedback and offer long-term projects. It's the only one on this list that feels like a real job. If you have a specific skill set, stop wasting time on the generic sites and look here. So, which one should you pick? If you're just starting, go for data annotation. If you want stability, check out Appen. But if you have the skills, Invisible Technologies is the gold standard. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to apply for, or if you've already tried one, tell me your horror stories. If this saved you from wasting your time on a low-paying platform, hit that subscribe button. I've got a video coming next week on how to pass those AI entrance exams on the first try. See you there.